Gilbert continues to take that motor apart, we're going to be putting these adapters on there from eBay. Yeah, he thinks he got them off of eBay. We got them a couple months ago. They've just been sitting in the truck. There's the part number right there. They're just your basic LS SWAP motor mounts. And just depending on where you put it on these holes, you can move it back and forth. So right now we're tearing it apart. We're gonna do a test run and see how it fits, where it fits, and get a good idea if we're gonna need to move our transmission mount. So hang tight. Well, that's it for today, guys. We're trying to roll through this pretty quick. I try to mention to you guys that we are going to kind of try to fly through this thing and still hold you guys in the loop. But the motor has been taken apart. We have our motor mounts on there now. We'll get to this one here in a second. But tomorrow we are going to bring a cherry picker, not only because I need one, but since Gilbert is on call, we definitely don't want to be in the middle of setting this motor and him get a call and we have to kind of shut it down. So we kind of agreed on the fact that, you know what, they just get a cherry picker. The motor's already taken apart. We're gonna put it in with the transmission. I have marked the hood. I adjusted the hood a couple weeks ago, and right there it's perfect. We'll take the hood off. We'll get the cherry picker here tomorrow. I'll try to go pick one up at Harbor Freight. We're gonna set it in, and we're gonna try to use the original mounts and the original position on these mounts. If you guys see the little paper that I posted up earlier, if you put it on the first holes, that's a factory position. So we're going to try that one first and see where it lands over here, and most importantly, where it lands inside of the engine bay. Right now is the time to set it up properly where we want it, either further forward, further back, you know, in the center. But as of right now, we are up and running. We're doing good. September the 20th, Kern County C10 and tacos. We're on track. We are on track. As far as this one, this is my friend Cuervo's truck. This one is an LS SWAP truck as well. This one has a small crack on the frame. where the shocks are mounted. And I think I'm gonna work on this one tomorrow just to get him up and going. You definitely don't want to have any cracks on your frame, and there's a small crack already happening. It's already there, and we don't want it to go any further. So I think tomorrow I'll work on this one, and I'll see if I can just do a small video on what's actually going on with this one. I have not been under this truck, so I really hope it's just that small crack. We'll clean it up, weld it up, and get this thing back on the road. It has a steering issue. He says that it kind of feels like it swerves off to the side, but we'll get there when we get there, and we are definitely getting closer to Project Tow Truck. So thank you guys for watching. Come back and let's get a motor in this thing. Until next time, catch you on the flip side.
Square body builders, that's the name. Fueling passion, igniting flame. Backyard hustle, grinding hard, turning rust into works of art.